Iba talaga ang nagagawa ng ganda. Hindi halatang namumroblema. Mga inggitera dyan. Relax.
Action!
Good evening po, ma'am. Table for one, ma'am.
Mukha ba akong may kasama?
Sa lahat ng mga ex ko! Nalalako sa akin! Sa inyo na lahat ng binigay ko! Pag pera ko tatlo, kakalimutan ko kay lahat! Isa! Dalawa! Ayaw ng tatlo!
Hello, love.
Pauwi ka na ba, love?
Oo, pauwi na ako.
Sige, maliligo na ako, ha?
Yes, I love it. Woo!
Sumweldo ka na ba?
Wala pa eh. Bukas pa daw.
Sige, bukas na lang ako maligo.
Ayan, di lumabas din ang tunay na ugali mo.
Ay, nakasilip pa lang to, be. Pag to nilabas ko, himatay ka.
Itisting kog lakaw ba? Nagibili na ko akong problema. Ang kanahan, ni apas gyud.
Pabili.
Ano yon?
Ate, may itlog ka?
Meron.
Ay, sayang. Ang ganda mo pa naman.
So, what the fuck? What the fuck you doing? I don't believe that you are in your house. I don't believe that you're scratching, talking to your mom and Lee. I don't believe you, Tom. I don't believe you. Just tell me the truth. The truth. Where are you in 24 hours? I cannot contact you. Where are you?
Hotel.
What are you doing in hotel?
Sleeping?
Sleeping?
No, don't come out yet. Stay there. Yeah, I'm alone.
Who is with you?
Nobody. Nobody.
Body.
What's that look for?
Nobody, you have another woman in the hotel.
I don't have another woman in the hotel.
What are you doing in the hotel?
We have two.
What?
Dili ko pwede madato. Pasoko among silingan.
Gago!